Today, we are talking about two names that shaped South Sudan political history. Abel and Dr. Riek Machar. Abel, born in 1933, is a towering figure in South Sudan history. He served as the first vice president of Sudan in 1971 during a time when South Sudan and Northern Sudan were still one nation. He's not just a politician, he's a living chapter of South Sudan history. At 93 years old, he still walks among us, witness to the past and to the future that is still unfolding. It is said that he once told Dr. Machar that you will never rule South Sudan. That is a powerful statement. But Dr. Machar stood firm and responded, "You will not die until I rule." Think about that. This was just not, or we can say this was not just a conversation. This was destiny speaking to destiny. So today we ask, who is right now and who is more trusted accordingly? Is leadership about prophecy, or is leadership about timing, trust, and the will of the people? History has shown us that politics is not a straight road. It is a long journey filled with trial, mistake, resilience, and second chances. At 93, Abel represents experience, wisdom, and the foundation of South Sudan political history. And Dr. Riek Machar represents persistent, a man who has remained in the political arena despite challenges, agreements, conflict, and returns. Time is moving. Destiny is moving. The story of leadership and purpose in South Sudan is still being written. I believe one day Dr. Riek Machar may take the presidential seat, and perhaps Abel will see it, or perhaps he will smile, or perhaps he will congratulate Dr. Riek Machar. But in the end, leadership is not about winning a statement. It is about serving the people. The real question is not who win the argument. The real question is who will unite the people, who will bring peace, and who will bring the future. Let us watch the journey. Let us watch the game of destiny unfold.